Greetings, traveler. My name is Decimus Aelius, a proud immunes of the Roman legion. You might wonder, what sets an immunes apart from other soldiers? We possess specialized skills that exempt us from the daily grueling tasks of ordinary legionnaires. Yet, with these privileges come responsibilities of paramount importance. Allow me to share a glimpse of my life with you. As dawn's first light graces the camp, I am already up, for the life of an immunes is bound by duties and tasks that can't wait for the sun's full embrace. Unlike the milites, the common soldiers, who find themselves in training formations, my mornings begin with inspecting the tools of my trade. My specialty? I am a medicus, a medic. The aroma of freshly baked bread from the camp's ovens wafts through the air as I clean and sharpen my surgical instruments. These are the very tools that have saved countless lives, extracted arrows, and mended the wounded spirits of our brave warriors. Breakfast consists of pulse, a porridge of barley, wheat, and a few herbs. Eating beside me is my good friend, Titus, an immune specializing in ballistae, the deadly siege engines. We often exchange tales of our respective crafts. His world of ropes, pulleys, and projectiles contrasts with mine of bandages, salves, and incisions, but together, we form the backbone that supports the might of Rome. Once nourished, I make my way to the infirmary tent, my domain. Here, soldiers come and go, bringing tales of pain and bravery. My hands, steady and sure, have stitched many a gash, set fractured bones, and brewed potions to dull the pain. Every soldier that walks away, head held high, is a testament to my expertise in the gods' favor. Midday sees the camp in full swing. Training echoes with the clanging of swords and the rhythmic shouts of centurions. Meanwhile, Titus and his team are meticulously calibrating a ballista, ensuring its deadly bolts fly true. Watching them, I am reminded of our shared bond. Though our skills differ, we both serve Rome with unmatched dedication. Lunchtime. Today, we are blessed with a hearty stew. The clatter of bowls and spirited conversations fill the air. On rare days, a traveling merchant or a local from nearby settlements would join, bringing tales from distant lands or the heart of Rome itself. Their stories, a blend of fantasy and fact, offer a brief respite from our rigorous lives. In the afternoon, I conduct lessons on basic first aid for the legionnaires. A soldier knowledgeable in binding a wound or recognizing an infection can make the difference between life and death on the battlefield. The men, ever eager, soak in the knowledge, knowing it could save a brother in arms or even themselves. The day's heat wanes as I find myself assisting a fellow immunes, Lucilla. She is a Sagittarius, an expert archer. Today, she's teaching young recruits the art of the bow, her arrows whispering through the air, always finding their mark. Occasionally, she seeks my expertise in crafting remedies to soothe her strained arms or concoctions to treat the minor nicks and scrapes of her students. Dusk approaches, painting the sky in hues of amber and crimson. The camp slowly transitions from the hustle of the day to the calming preparations of night. Titus, having finished his duties with the ballistae, joins me as we walk the camp's perimeter, appreciating the intricate designs of the fortifications, another marvel crafted by the hands of immunes engineers. Dinner is a jovial affair. Today, it's salted pork, olives, and more bread, paired with a fine wine. As night blankets the camp, songs of valor and tales of ancient heroes resonate, uniting us in spirit. Here, beneath the canopy of stars, differences fade, and the brotherhood of the legion shines brightest. Yet, as an immunes, my day isn't over. Night often brings its own challenges. A soldier with a night terror, a sudden fever, or the haunting memories of battles past, they seek solace and healing in the infirmary tent. My hands, though weary, find renewed strength in their purpose, offering comfort and care. The midnight hour draws near, and the campfire's embers glow softly, mirroring the stars above. I finally retire to my tent, the soft rustle of its fabric a familiar comfort. As I drift into slumber, the weight of my responsibilities lingers. Yet, it's a burden I bear with pride. In the heart of the legion, amid the warriors and war machines, we immunes stand distinct. Whether mending flesh, crafting siege engines, fortifying defenses, or mastering the bow, our specialized skills are the pillars upon which Rome's might rests. In this vast machine of war and honor, I, Decimus Aelius, serve not with the sword but with the scalpel. And as dawn breaks once more, I shall rise again, ready to heal, to serve, and to ensure the legacy of Rome stands unyielding.